Okay guys, so in previous video we saw how to set up Liquibase in our machine and we are able to see the version as well. So command was simple, Liquibase -v. Okay, so today we will continue the same and as we were executing this project through Spring Boot application by executing main method, now we will try to execute the same project through Liquibase command. Okay, so the command is quite straightforward. It simply says Liquibase and update. That's it. So let's move to the directory where we have the project. There it is. So that's my project directory. Opening it, and here you have to write Liquibase um, update. Yeah, okay. But it gives me an error. What it says, error parsing command invalid argument hyphen change log file. So the thing is, guys, when we were executing this project, we have a Java project and it is supported by Maven and Spring Boot framework, right? So problem was with this command liquibase update command is when we are executing liquibase update command, so it doesn't knows where is my configuration file because it is present inside this root directory. And how we get to know the file is here, it is coming from this properties file. So we give the path thing. So that's how Spring knows that where is the liquibase root file, the root XML file. But from this command we cannot guess, right? So to make this command in a workable state, we have to provide multiple parameters as I said, and here are the list of parameters we needed. So we have to give multiple parameters to work uh, this command in action state. So we need URL, that's a database URL, username, password, driver, the class path where we have our jar file, JDBC jar file, and change log file. Right, so this is what right now expected. Okay, so we have tried hyphen change log file. So we have multiple variant, so we'll follow this pattern. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let's try this command, then we will type it here. Liquibase update. Now we need it change log file equals. So we have to give a path, but we have to make sure we are already inside a project. So you don't have to give the complete path. I mean the tilde and that whole stuff. You can give path from src main Java. So that is counted as a relative path. Okay, so I'll copy till src main Java. Okay, I hope it's copied. Yep. Next we have to pass driver. Driver equals double quotes, and we will get this MySQL driver from our application properties file. There it is. So copy, paste it. Next we have to pass username. So in our case, my user name for MySQL is root, then password, and password is MySQL. Okay. SQL. Okay. And last variable is we have to mention that where is your jar file, the JDBC jar file. So property for that is hyphen class path. Okay, class path equals, and now I have to give the full path of that location where my jar file is. So what I just did is to make this thing in the working state, I moved that jar file parallel to my project. So in the root location, I put that thing. Okay, there it is. I copied the whole path. I'll paste it here. Okay, one more thing, guys. Liquibase suggests that if you are giving any path, kind of relative or absolute path, make sure you are using forward slash, not these backslashes. Although it will work, but again, it's a convention. So what I'll do, I'll just put Control F, put a slash, yeah, backslash, and replace it with forward slash this way, and replace all. Why it is not working? Replace this and replace, replace, and replace all. Okay, worked out now. So this is great. Now, okay, one and one more. Okay, now it is fixed, so I can copy this command. Let's go back to the command line and paste it. Oh, it's not copied. Okay, now copied. So let's try what will happen. Let's see. Oh, my bad. It's Liquibase and okay. Let's execute now. Liquibase command executed and it says URL missing. Sorry, I missed. Yeah, URL is also there. It's a part of JDBC URL. So I can give anyway. See guys, look, it's not sequence, doesn't matter here. So you can give it any sequence. So I can go back to Spring Boot application and this is the URL which has all server configuration plus database name configuration. And it already has a forward slash, so that's good. Let's Liquibase. Okay, now better. I'll say copy, go back to command. Here it is and paste it. Let's execute. Okay, and boom. Yes, it picks our file. It says it executed one file. The file name is GB changelog XML file. Author is Cloud Raga. ID is 1. It is executed and it has been successfully updated. How many rows affected? One row. Cool. Let's have a look on database. This is our database. Let's refresh. Yes, so this is our table which is expected. See guys, we are here not to insert any record. The idea was to show you how to use Liquibase command to execute the Liquibase project without taking any help from Spring Boot application. And these two databases, sorry, database tables are used by Liquibase internally. So whatever executed here, we already saw discussed this by the way. So ID author we gave it manually, and this is the path it picks by default. Then everything is maintained by Liquibase itself. Okay, so that's how we execute the commands. And you guys can see it's not that easy to maintain all this one because lots of strings has been passed as a parameter. So in next video we will figure out a better way. Instead of writing everything on command, it's better if I just write Liquibase update, right? So we will see that next video.